Welcome, my name is Omenihu Chukwudire. I'm an affiliate marketer, and on this channel I bring you affiliate marketing opportunity. On today's video, I will walk you step by step on how you can sign up on BetNaija affiliate program. To sign up on BetNaija affiliate program, you need to own a Payoneer account. If you don't know what Payoneer is an international payment gateway that allows you to own one account in different currency. To sign up for a Payoneer account, check the description box below. Click on the link and you will be taken to this page. Click on sign up and earn $25. You will be taken to the next page. On the next page, Payoneer will need to ask you some questions to find the right account for your business. When you get to the registration page, you will need national identity card, driver's license, and a voter's card. Any of these can serve. You will need it during the registration. After you have filled in your details and submit to Payoneer, you will receive an email. It will take Payoneer 3 to 5 working days to approve your account. If your account is not approved, note that you entered inappropriate or false information during your registration. But if your account is approved, go to sign in and sign in with your registered email address and password. When you log into your account, look for the option where it says 0. Look at the top right hand side. You will see 3 dots. Click on it. You will see a pop-up saying receiving account. Click on receiving account. Your Payoneer payment details will be revealed to you. Go to BetNaija affiliates. Click on sign up. Fill in your details such as username, password, security question and answer, and click on next. On the second option, put in your email address, first name, your last name. If you don't have a company name, leave the space open. Put in your contact phone number and your cell phone number. Both of them are the same. If you have an IM name, put it. If you don't have, leave the space like that. If you have a Skype account, put your Skype name here. Put in your address, put in your state, and put in your zip code. Select your country and click on next. In the option 3, you have to fill in your payment details. Go to payment method, select electronic transfer. Enter your first name, your last name, as it is on your Payoneer beneficiary name. Enter your date of birth. Enter your account information. Your account information includes account number, bank code, SWIFT, and IBAN number. Go to your Payoneer account. You will see bank name. Copy your bank name and paste it where you have the option for bank name. Go back to your Payoneer account. Look for where you have the option for bank address. Paste it both on address 1 and address 2. Go back to your Payoneer account and copy your BIC is the same as your SWIFT or BSB. Paste it. Go back to your Payoneer account. Copy your IBAN number. Look for the option where you need to put your IBAN number. To get your account number and your bank code, go back to your Payoneer account where you have IBAN. Your IBAN consists of 20 digits, excluding the 2 letters. Copy down the 20 digits and separate these 20 digits with this instruction. Write down the first 8 digits differently. After the first 8 digits, write out the 2 digits after the first 8 digits differently. The last 10 digits, write down that last 10 digits differently. Now go to the registration page. The first 8 digits is your bank code. You go to your bank code and enter the first 8 digits. The last 10 digits you copy down is your bank account number. Go to the registration page and drop it where you have the bank account number. To get your bank account city, go back to your Payoneer account where you have bank address. The name before you get the country is the city. Copy that and paste it where you have city. To get your bank state, go to Google, type in which state is this city located. Select the bank country. In your Payoneer dashboard, right after the city, you will see your bank country. To get the zip code of the city, go to Google, type in the city name and add zip code. Click on search. You will be able to view the city zip code. Copy it and paste it. Click on next. You will have to enter your website URL, the category of your website, target market details, your preferred contact method. How did you hear about Bet Naija? When you get to the option where you have to enter your VAT number, leave the space blank. Click on Agree Terms and Conditions and click on Join Now. You will be taken to the thank you page. You will receive an email from Bet Naija within the next 48 hours. In that email, you will state whether your account is approved or not. If your account was not approved, note that you didn't follow this step correctly. Take your time and follow the step correctly so that your account will not be disapproved. If your account is approved, log in with your username and your password. When you log in for the first time, this is what your account will look like. At the top left, we have My Account, Marketing Tools, Report, Messages, Welcome, Sitemap, Help. Click on any of them. Get yourself familiarized with your dashboard before you start promoting your affiliate link. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Share the video.